Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is Paneer Do Piyaza, which is made from fresh homemade paneer. It is needless to say that paneer is high in nutritive values. It is rich in calcium and protein. My today's endeavor is to show you how I make this recipe from homemade paneer, which is considered more safe and healthy as it is fresh and free of all kinds of preservatives. So let's now get started making it in my way. So this is the homemade paneer. This is fresh and soft compared to the one that we generally buy from market. So I'll now, and it also tastes better. So now I will just mix it with some spices like a little coriander powder, turmeric powder, a little black pepper powder, a little sugar. This is as per your taste. This is salt and a pinch of sugar and a little chaat masala. Now I'll just give a little oil so that the spices can get absorbed with the paneer well. Just mix it well. So mixture is ready. Now you have to give it a shape. You can give it any kind of shapes you want. I'm just trying to give it a square shape. Now see, my paneer cubes are all ready, and now we will deep fry them. Now my oil is heated up. Now I will place the paneers. Now see, this has taken a nice golden brown color in both the sides. Now you have to just take it out. Generally it takes a little longer because there is no binding in it, only the paneer is there, and like this way only I will fry the rest of the paneer cubes. And meanwhile I will make my onion paste for the gravy. So here I have taken one medium sized onion, then 3 to 4 pieces of ginger cubes and 5 to 6 pieces of garlic cloves, 1 green chili and a few leaves of cilantro. Now we will blend this into a paste. Now see, my onion paste is ready, and over here now we'll blend the tomatoes. You have to just peel off the tomatoes before making the puree. See, all my paneer cubes are fried now, and now we will start making the gravy. For making the gravy, over here I am using a little oil, and with this I am using half a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Now the oil is heated up. I'm going to use a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red pepper powder or the Kashmiri mirt, just to get the color. Now I am going to add the onion paste. Just mix it well. Now I'm using a bay leaf. Keep the flame in medium and cook it until the raw flavor of the onion, ginger and garlic doesn't go away. Now after few minutes, here I am going to use freshly blended garam masala, which consists of 2 pieces of cloves, 1 small stick of cinnamon and 2 pieces of cardamom, which I have peeled off. Mix it well with the onion paste. And it will be cooked for some times. Now my onions are almost done. Started extracting oil from its sides. Now I'm going to use the tomato paste. Mix it well, keeping the flame in medium only. And after few minutes of cooking, whenever the paste starts to get the bubbles or the boil, I'm going to add now coriander powder, a pinch of mace powder or javentry. If you don't have this, you can obviously skip this option, and dry crushed kasuri methi and little salt. Mix them all well. And again let it be cooked for some time, keeping the flame in medium to low now. Now see, my tomatoes are almost cooked. It has also started extracting the oils from the sides. Now I'm going to use a little warm water mix it well. Keep the flame in medium. And now I'm going to use the onions cut into these kinds of shapes and just mix it with the spices. Put the lid on and keep the flame in medium to low now, and let it be cooked for some time. Now after few minutes, see, it's all done now. The onions also have taken a little translucent in color. Now here I have made a paste of 7 to 8 pieces of cashews. Now I am going to use it. Mix it well. This is to give the gravy a little thicker consistency and of course to increase the taste. Keep the flame in low now. Sprinkle a little salt now, as we have used the cashew nut paste. Mix it well again. And now I'm going to use the pieces of my paneer. One thing I forgot to tell you, that whenever you make paneer at home, just store it in the refrigerator at least for a day, so that the paneer gets a little harder. Mix this well carefully with the spices, keeping the flame in low, of course. It's almost done now. At the end I'm going to sprinkle freshly chopped cilantro, and this is done. Switch off the flame and we will serve it now in a bowl.